The country band Jubilee. Yeah.
Pizza Time Hoedown, take one. Lights rolling, sound rolling, action!
Way out west to where the cowboys are.
There's a little singer who is quite a star. Harmony, harmony, honky-tonk harmony.
Yet there's no place that I would rather be
than listening to honky-tonk harmony.
I got to tell you, honky-tonk harmony.
Everybody,
honky-tonk harmony.
Down, doggy boy, down! Folks, we ain't gonna touch yous no more with Jasper's lovesick beagling. So without any further to-do, we're gonna lay out our Western welcome mat for Harmony Howlett.
Howdy, boys.
Hi, Harmony.
Y'all, this is dedicated to Jasper.
Oh, boy, I'm so honored.
Just a prairie child, running wild and howling at the moon.
Oh.
And I don't think you're gonna grow up anytime too soon. You were born to run wild in the wide open spaces, tumbling with the tumbleweeds. That's where your place is. You're my prairie child, running wild and howling at the moon. Running wild and howling at the moon.
Harmony, you're just out of this world.
Yeah, too bad she don't sing out there.
Big C, you are smart alecky and disagreeable.
Thank you.
And those are your good points.
Harmony, sweetheart, you know, most beautiful women find me irresistible.
I sure don't find you irresistible.
Well, I don't find you beautiful.
Oh, come on, boys. Let's go to the Pizza Time Hoedown.
Boy, you'll set your toes down at the Pizza Time Hoedown. Buddy, I'll tell you no lies.
Let me give you the lowdown about the Pizza Time Hoedown, so it won't come as a surprise.
First you do the two-step, then throw in a new step just to get you feeling fine. Yahoo!
Next you're gonna shuffle right off the Buffalo. We're doing the pizza time.
Pizza time, hold down, honky-tonk USA. Pizza time, hold down, it's the only way. First you do the two-step, then throw in a new step just to get you feeling fine.
Next you're gonna shuffle right off the Buffalo. We're doing the pizza time.
Get in, Henry!
Hey, now that's a song I could learn to love. Come on, Nola, Gene, hey, Linda, Mike, and Joe. Come on, I see you back there, Joe.